Welcome to Flower Fun with Tammy. Today we're going to do a fall bouquet. We're going to be moving away from your pastel colors to your deep, rich colors with yellows, oranges. And today I don't think we're going to have any, well, there's a little bit of yellow in our roses. And we've got a rose that's a cappuccino rose. First of all, we're going to be using this beautiful orange calla lily. And we've got some, they say they're shimmer, but they look more cappuccino to me, roses. We've got a real pretty, I think this is called a circus rose, but I may be wrong. I'm just going to kind of start working with the flowers. I'm not really going to talk too much. I'm just going to show you and keep moving and see how this turns out. And these are mini calla lilies, by the way. We'll clean up the leaves on the bottom of this once we get finished. This is kangaroo's paw. It's really pretty. It's different. As you can see, I just keep looking at it and adding where I think needs more dimension or coverage. Okay, so I think this is all we're going to do with this today. It's beautiful the way it is in all the different colors. It'd make a fall bride very happy, I think. And then we got a piece of wire. We could go ahead and use the wire around this to wrap this. But since I don't have any wire handy, we're just going to use the tape. Either one's correct. It doesn't matter. So now what we would do is we'd just go in here and clean up any extra foliage, and then we want to clip everything off level. And the next step is ribbon or twine or whichever your bride prefers. Every bride's different. Some have these wraps that they purchase that they want to use. Some brides they want lace around it or ribbon. We're just going to hold that in place where we started at, and then we're just going to wrap this securely, the same area several times. If we were going to do a ribbon all the way down, we would have started at the bottom, but that's not what I'm doing. I'm going to go ahead and keep it up tight towards the top. Then you just fold it over like so. And I only have one pin, but you could use as many as you like. And you just, where it's folded over, you just take your pin and push it up and towards the bouquet. I would normally use more than one pin. I only have one handy right now. I would put 2, maybe 3. That way it's secure. The bottom of it's open where you can place it in water while the bride's getting dressed. And then after the wedding, she could also place it back in water and save it or throw it or whatever she would like to do with it. This is just a little quick tutorial to show you all the different possibilities with bouquets. Thank you. If you've liked what you've seen today, please hit the like button. Please also share it if you liked it. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. Thank you.